Hello Numberblock fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel Super Creative Numberblock Zone. Well, in this video, I will show you how to rebuild the number blocks 0 to 100 part 6, which means 41 to 45. Well, before I build it for you, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Well, anyways, let's build the number block 41. Number block 41 is made of 40 green blocks and one red block, which means 1 in 40 blocks. Well, number block 41 is a prime number, which means she cannot make any rectangles, right everyone? Yeah. Number block 41, but there's a very special one, is number block 41 can make a rhombus shape. Like a square, but what little spin like diamond, right? Well, anyways, number block 41, I made her like this. Well, she cannot make any rectangles, but she can make a rhombus shape. She's very special shape. She's a special shape. Well, put this, including this. It's a little longer. The longest one is 11. At the middle is 11. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. And then, oopsie. And then plus 9 plus 6. Plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 and plus 1. We need odd numbers sum up together in the order to find the biggest one, and then we put it in the order too, but from bigger to smaller. Oh, oops. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Phew, sorry everyone, because it's a little hard to build, and I inspired from 30 to 100 Mathlink Cubes. Sorry, it's a little hard for building. Oh dear. Yeah. Alright. The number block 41 is almost ready. Oh. Whoa, this Mathlink Cube is very hard to put it in. Phew! That's so tired. Well, here's the number block 41. Let's add the stickers. Alright, I've already peeled all of the stickers. Well, we can recognize the number block 41 by the left has a rhombus shaped eye, because 41 can make this shape. Oh my god. It's not sticky at all. If it's sticky, it's very easy to put on the Mathlink Cubes. Oh dear, I hate this sticker. If I got the good quality stickers, I will build it very beautiful. Whoa, I stopped this video for a little. Oh, this sticker is little long. Oh my god, I hate this situation. Some situation I hate. But too sticky, I don't like it. I like the normal sticky, not like this sticker. I hate it. Oh dear. Alright, here I'll finish number block 41. Let's move to the number block 42. Alright, let's move to the number block 42. Number block 42 is made of 40 green blocks and 2 orange blocks, which means 42 is a lucky number, because 42 is made of 6 sevens or 7 sixes, or can be also 3 14s, 2 21s, and so on. Well, number block 42 has a teleporter. I don't know what do I call it. It's like hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides It's like hexagon with a rainbow. With a rainbow on at the back. Well, the 40 blocks are finished. Oh. Yes. And we add 2 more blocks to make 42. Well, let's attach the sticker. It's a little bit long. Alright, here's the left eye. Rectangle eye. Oh my god, this Mathlink Cube with the sticker, it doesn't stick together. Wow. And the right eye. How to put it stickier. Alright. And here's the eyebrows. Well, Numberblock 42 has 2 eyebrows, 2 rectangle eyes, 1 mouth, and a teleporter, which means it's Numberblock 42's accessory. Wow, 2 bendy rectangle eyes. Alright, the eyebrows, and including blue edge mouth. Well, I don't know why Numberblock 42 doesn't wear a shirt. Well, before 42 figure himself out, I see it's time to explore, which is Numberblock 21 sings. I see 42 wears a shirt. Then I watch it again. I see Numberblock 42 has a teleporter. I don't know what happened too. But anyways, I like this one. This one is beautiful. How to put it on? And there's a teleporter, which means 42 teleports every time. Oh, now here are finished Numberblock 42. Alright, let's build Numberblock 43. Numberblock 43 is made of 40 light green blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Well, Numberblock 43 I made by myself is a preposition, right? Numberblock 43 has a helmet like Numberblock 14, but this is my decoration. It's not an official number. It's just an assumption. Oh, we need 3 more blocks to make 43. We also include a helmet because 43 is another prime number of the skater, like Numberblock 14, right? Oh, the sticker doesn't peel. Just stop for a little bit. Phew! The sticker is too hard for peel it, and also it doesn't stick. Oh my gosh, too ugly, right? Well, anyways, let's attach more stickers at the bottom. But some cases 43 has a big eye at the right one, but some cases has a headphones. I think Numberblock 43 is very cool. But anyways, but sometimes 43 is also a gamer. And here's the mouth one. Mouth. Wow. And 2 eyebrows. I made eyebrows too. Like the eyebrows like Numberblock 40 has the dark, and the light one like Numberblock 40. Well, I put it on. Well, right. There's only the right eyebrow. It took time for a little bit because I haven't read it yet. Wow, the eyebrows are too cool. Are so cool. Well, anyways, here are finished Numberblock 43. Alright, the next character is Numberblock 44. Numberblock 44 is made of 40 light green blocks and 4 light blue blocks. Well, number block 44 is the first player of the football team because 44 is made of 11 fours or 4 11s. Also including 2 22s or 22 twos. And the 4 blocks on top, which means 11 by 4 is 44. Oh my gosh, this camera is not good at all. How do I put it? Sorry everyone, because I haven't ready yet. I haven't do everything ready yet because I'm in a hurry. Well, anyways, 44 has one big rectangle eye and one small rectangle eye because 44 is the family of the number block 11. Well, number block 44 is also not to be a square because he cannot make a square, he can make only the rectangle. Well, which means 1 by 44, 2 by 22, 4 by 11 by 4 by 11, 11 by 4, 22 by 2, and the last one is 44 by 1, which means he's a super rectangle. He can make only 6 rectangles, not 8 rectangles. Oh, only his mouth. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, the sticker is too sticky on my hand, but it doesn't sticky with the Mathlink Cubes. I don't know why too. Well, anyways, this and where his mouth? Oh, there. Number block 44 is almost finished. Oh, this sticker is I cannot peel the sticker. This sticker is not good. It's good quality at peeling, but sticking is not good at all. Oh. Wow. Oh. Whoopsie. Ah. Oh no, the mouth is stick with the eye. Well, anyways. Okay. Whatever. How to put it like this. Well, anyways, here are finished number block 44. Alright, let's go to the last one, but not least is number block 45. Number block 45 is made of 40 light green blocks and 5 light blue blocks. I made number block 45 by using 9 by 5 because I don't want to make a long time with a step squad shape. Well, number block 45 is made of 1 by 45, 3 by 15, 9 by 5, or 5 by 9, 15 by 3, and 45 by 1, which means she's also a super rectangle club. Well, anyways, the blocks are finished. Let's attach the sticker. Number block, we have to notice that number block 45 is not a square. She's just only step shape, not like 36. Because 36 is the square club and the step shape club. Well, 45 just only the step shape club because 45 has rectangle eyes. Well, anyways, here's the mouth. Big smile. Well, anyways, here are finished number block 45. Alright, let's repeat after me. In this video, I built a number block 41, number block 42, number block 43, oopsie, number block 44. Sorry everyone, the sticker is not sticky at all. Well, anyways, let's continue. And the last number block is number block 45. Alright, this is the end of this video from 41 to 45, and I would like to say sorry everyone because the sticker isn't stick at with the Mathlink Cubes. But anyways, which one do you like the most? 41, 42, 43, 44, or 45? Leave the comments below. So anyways, thank you for watching. You can click like, subscribe, and click the button below to make more videos. Anyways, goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.